Hi. So in this video, we are going to be looking at this next question. All right. So we have a list C with these 4 elements here. All right. 1, hello, 3.14, and true. So what will the following code print? C1 plus C2. All right. So you can pause the video for a while. Okay. Think about it. All right. And come back to the video when you are ready. Okay. So I'm going to discuss the answer now. So firstly, we must understand the indexing. In a list, we start with index 0. So this is index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3. Alright, here I'm performing an addition. Alright, now when I try to run this code, okay, what will happen is, alright, you will get an error. Okay, you'll get an error because it does not allow you to perform this addition operation, okay, between a string and a float. Okay, if it were 2 strings, then you can concatenate them. If there were 2 numerical values, then you can add them. Alright, but in this case, one is a string and one is this float value. Alright, so Python does not allow you to explicitly add them together using the plus sign over here. Alright, so this will flag off as an error when you're trying to run the code. Okay, so this is something that you need to take note of when you are writing, okay, when you're developing your application. In the list, you can have a mix of different data types, okay, but when you want to perform the addition operation, they have to be the same data type. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.